If I say artificial intelligence, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Robots? Terminator? Some computer that's going to take over the world? Yeah, that's what most people think. Hi, I'm Kris, and this is Second Act with AI. And that's why most people are scared of it. But here's the thing. What AI actually is, it's so much simpler and so much less scary than what you're imagining. So let's just get the scary stuff out of the way first, because I think we need to. When most people hear AI, they picture one of two things. Either it's the Terminator situation, robots becoming smarter than us and taking over, or it's just the job stealing situation, machines replacing humans and making us all obsolete. And I'm not going to lie to you. I think it's important to be honest about this stuff. AI is powerful. It is changing things. I've compared the impact of AI to COVID, not to scare you, but because I think it's that significant. It's something that's going to touch every part of our lives. But, and this is a big but, the AI you're going to be using, the AI I'm going to show you on this channel, it's not a robot and it's not taking over the world and it's not replacing you. It's a conversation. Okay, so what is AI actually? Here's the simplest way I can explain it. AI is software that has been trained on a massive amount of text, books, articles, websites, conversations, basically a huge chunk of human knowledge. And because it's absorbed all of that, it can understand your questions and respond in a way that sounds like a real person. It's not alive. It's not thinking the way you and I think. It's not conscious, but it's incredibly good at understanding what you're asking and giving you useful, thoughtful responses. Think of it like this. Imagine you had a really well read friend, someone who's read thousands of books, studied every subject, remembers everything, and is endlessly patient. And you could call this friend anytime, day or night, and ask them anything. How do I write a thank you note? What should I cook for dinner if I have chicken and rice? Explain what my doctor just told me in words that I can actually understand. That's AI. That's what you're going to be using. A really smart, really patient friend who's available whenever you need them. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, it's not Google, and this is so important. Google gives you a list of links, 10 blue links, and then you have to figure out which one to click, which website to trust, and where to find the actual answer buried in a page full of ads. AI gives you the answer in plain English, in a conversation. You ask, it responds. You ask a follow up, it responds again. It's a back and forth, not a search. That's the shift. And once you experience it, you're going to wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, I want to show you something really quick so this isn't abstract. This is what AI looks like. It's a text box. That's it. No buttons to learn, no complicated interface, just a place to type. Now, watch this. I'm going to type I'm 62 years old and I just started learning about AI. Can you explain what you are in the simplest possible terms? Look at that. It's talking to me in real sentences in a way that makes sense. And I didn't have to click through 10 websites to get there. That's it. That's AI. Not scary, not complicated, just a conversation. Now, let me be honest with you about what AI can do and what it can't do, because I don't want to do hype on this channel. What AI can do? A lot. It can write, it can research, it can brainstorm ideas, it can explain things, it can help you organize your thoughts, it can plan trips, it can help you understand health information, it can create images, it can help you build things you never thought possible. What AI can't do, it can't feel, it can't love, it can't replace your judgment, your intuition, or your lived experience. It doesn't know you the way you know you. It sometimes gets things wrong. It can sound confident even when it's incorrect. And it has no soul. And that last part, that's important to me because I believe in intuition. I believe in discernment. I believe in body, spirit, and soul. And I believe technology should serve those things and not replace them. So the way I use AI and the way I'm going to teach you to use AI is as a partner, a really capable partner. But you are always the one in charge. You are always the final eyes on everything. Think of it this way. AI is the exoskeleton. You're the human inside it. So here's what I'd love for you to do. If anything I just said may have made you feel something, even a little spark, or maybe I could do this, subscribe, hit that button. You're going to want to be here for what's coming. So now you know what AI actually is. It's a conversation with a really smart, really patient tool that's available whenever you need it. Not a robot, not a threat, a tool. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through your very first AI conversation, step by step on my screen. I'm going to show you exactly what to type, what happens when you hit enter, and how to keep the conversation going. If you've never opened ChatGPT or Claude, or any one of those tools, that video is going to change that. And it's going to take about 10 minutes. If you haven't already, take my free AI tool Navigator quiz. It'll match you to the right tool before we get started. The link is in the description below. All right, my friends, take care. Bye-bye.